So I've been having a really hard time making my curls hold with these new extensions, and I usually have this problem when I like just wash my hair or something and it's like super clean. My curls will like fall out and they won't like stay super curly. So I sectioned off, like, super hot mess though. Like what? Like if you have these clips, they're 10 times better. But so each section I just curled with my wand and then I clipped it, and then I turned my blow dryer on cool. And now, and they're like literally better than they ever are, and it literally stays. So I've been like using this hack for the past like month or so, and I'm like literally obsessed. Clearly you don't want to do that though, so we'll just pull it out. But if that happens, just run your fingers through it and just like reform the curl. So this is what it looks like after I combed it out. Clearly just don't comb it if you want it a little bit more curly, but if you have a roller with clips, that works best. But for us girls that are just kind of making it happen with what we have, any clip will work. But so yeah, I hope this helps for my girls that are always complaining that they can't get their curls to hold, or they have naturally straight hair, or if you just like wash your hair and it's clean and it won't hold. Try this out because it definitely really helped me.